Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to another video. My name is Angie for those of you guys that don't know. So today we are going to be talking about whether or not it is worth upgrading to the BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe box. Those of you guys that don't know how BoxyCharm works, you pay, I believe, about $21 for a subscription box, makeup subscription box, which you get every month. So I'm going to show you guys what I received in my BoxyCharm for the month of August, which just was about like 2-3 weeks ago. For my August BoxyCharm, I got this Glow Head illuminating facial oil, and then I got 2 Ace Beauty glimmer shadows. This one already has a dent on it because I actually really liked it, and as you can see, this one's already a little squished because I absolutely love this as well. And then I got a Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder, which I've also used. It's a different experience because it is a little moist, and when I set my under eye, it feels kind of wet, but so far I've had no problems with it. A bit of creasage, but I mean that's normal for me at least because my under eyes crease a lot. And then I also got the Tarte Big Ego mascara, which I haven't even actually opened. I haven't even tried it. I have about 3 mascaras right now that I'm using. I want to go ahead and finish those before I even open that one. So that is what I got for my BoxyCharm for the month of August. Now for BoxyLuxe, what you do is that additionally to your subscription, to your subscription payment, which is $21, you actually pay an additional $28.99. And they claim that you should have a value, I believe, of $250 or more than $250. I'll go ahead and put those details up here as well. So for the BoxyCharm, we get 4 to 5 full-size makeup products. So as you can see, these are very much full size. We don't get no samples in BoxyCharm. So I actually just received it today. I did go ahead and just rip the tape off of it before I realized that maybe I should make a video of it, but I have not opened it. I wanted to go ahead and do that with you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. It is actually very big, as you can see, the size of my head compared to this box. It has some weight to it as well, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. So let's go ahead and get this out first. So this is BoxyCharm All Access right here, and according to the back of it right here, we should be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, 8 full-size items. Let me just make that clear, compared to the 5 full-size items that you get in your regular box. So we're gonna see if it's worth paying an additional, let's round it up to $30 every 3 months. So you only pay the additional $28.99 when you're going to receive your BoxyLuxe box. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start out with some bubble wrap. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna pick the first item that I see, which is this Tarte High Promise Naturals Park Avenue Princess palette. So this has a retail price of $45. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. It is a bit, looks like it's already been opened. There's some shadows in the back. So it looks like there's nothing broken in here. We have a contour palette here. So these are setting powders right here, and the rest of these are bronzing and contour palettes. And this is chiseled like a diamond. So this, as you can see, has a retail price of $45. So we got our first item here. Okay, let's grab the next item. Then we have a Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. And this has a retail price of $29. Oh wow. These shades are actually very, very pretty. So I'm not going to go ahead and swatch any of these just because I am planning to do a giveaway and I have too many eyeshadow palettes for myself. So I'm not going to swatch any of these because I'm honestly not sure whether or not I want to keep this or maybe add it to the giveaway that I'm planning to do. I'm going to grab the next item. This is a Sutra Beauty 32 millimeters, which is 1.25 inch clipless curling iron with a cool tip. So we received a curling iron with a value of $65. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's nicely well packaged in some bubble wrap. Oh, she is thick. I don't really add too much heat to my hair, but I think I am going to like this. I like thicker barrels. I have one that's a little bit too thin, and this one, because it is thicker, I think I'm gonna be able to create some nice like loose waves with this thicker wand. So this is definitely a plus on me. Move on to the next item. We have a Stay All Day liquid lipstick from Stila right here. Oh, this is pretty. It's really pretty actually, but I think it might be a little bit too light for me, so I'm not gonna go ahead and even swatch it. But this has a retail value of $22, and we got the shade Angelo right here. It's actually really kind of like a pinkish nude peach liquid lip. It's actually a nice shade. Next we have an IGK. Let me see what it says. An IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm. It's a leave-in conditioner balm that won't weigh your hair down. So we got a full size. Oh, this smells really good actually. Oh wow. And it doesn't feel greasy, kind of feels like oily, so it's gonna make your hair shiny and look healthy if you do have dry hair, which I do have on the very tips. Oh wow, I just exposed myself. Look at that. It's ugly. I need a trim. I swear you guys, the rest of my hair isn't that unhealthy. It's just my ends need a little love. But that smells really nice actually. Next we have a Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleep Mask. Oh, she's a little tiny. She's a little tiny. It says apply mask to clean dry skin before bedtime. This is supposed to work overnight. It's obviously nicely sealed. I'm gonna go ahead and try this hopefully tonight if I remember. And that had a retail value of, oh, so this one, I forgot to say, the leave-in conditioner was $29, and our Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask, right here, has a retail value of $52. Damn, really? This better like remove all my wrinkles then. What do? Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So, you know, when I like stay up all night and I'm crying at 3 in the morning, it's going to reduce the redness. Alright. So, I'm gonna have to try this for $52. Really? I have to look that one up. So this one, second to last item we have here, Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum. So here we have the, oh, she's cute. Look at this. How cute is this? Pineapple Sea Bright Serum, brightening and smoothing. This is 1 fluid ounces. Wow, this is so cute. I wonder if it smells like pineapple. I have the leave-in conditioner on my hand, so go ahead and put it on the back of my hand. Oh, she smells like pineapple. Oh, and it's a little thick too. Wow, it smells really nice actually. She does smell like pineapple. This is really cute packaging, and this has a retail value of $49. So this is the third most expensive item. This tiny little bottle. She's cute though. It's really cute. So last item that we have here is a Hank and Henry Blickety Black eyeliner. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna actually like it. If I'm doing my calculations right, we have a total value of $311. So, did we get more than $250? Yes, we did. If the prices on here are correct, I would have to do a little bit of research on it. I do know that Tarte ranges in like that 35, 40, even 50 depending on what you're getting. So I want to say that this is all correct. So more than $300 worth of beauty items. This is actually really, really good. So here's, oh, hasn't dried completely. You know what? This is where I did have the, what did I put on my hand? I had the serum and then I had the leave-in conditioner. So maybe that's why it wasn't completely dry, because this one's not really budging. So it might be like the serum on here that's making it transfer, so, or smudge. So for $50 that you're paying to receive a BoxyLuxe box every third month or every 3 months, however you want to say it, I actually think it's worth it. It's worth upgrading if you're going to receive more than the $250 in value, because just with the, which one? Just with the sleeping mask, you already got back your $50 right there. I mean, it's $52. So just with that item, you already got your money back. So for every 3 months, if you want to receive an extra 2 items, because originally we do get 5 to 7, we got an extra one. If I compare to my August one, I only got 5 items, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only received 5 items. I got an extra 3 items in this one for an additional $30. So I think it's worth it. If you want to check it out, when I receive another BoxyLuxe, if you want to go see, if you want me to do an update, compare the items between this box and another BoxyLuxe, let me know down below. Also, if you want to see how I did this makeup look with these little sequins right here, go ahead and watch my last video. But yeah, I'm actually not mad about the BoxyLuxe. I think it's really nice the fact that they give you the option to upgrade, and you don't have to pay the $50 every month. So, and you could always cancel anytime. But yeah, I think this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.